Somebody asked me the other day, aren't you worried about AI taking your job? And I said, yeah, it already is. Here's the reality. Look at Meta. They've already announced that by 2026, they'll have fully automated ad generation. You upload your product photo and boom, get a polished ad in seconds. That's what we're up against. And the train's not just moving, it's hauling. You can either get on or get out of the way. As much as I love cinema and the art of it, the tradition, I'm not in charge. So I'm doing the only thing I can, learning the tools, because it's just a matter of time before a client says, hey, can you make us an AI ad? Or can you generate a Sasquatch drinking water on top of a mountain? We used to laugh at things like that. And now we say, how fast do you need it? The way I see it, as a creator, you've got two options. You can dig your heels in and scream about AI slop and pretend that the industry is going to stop for you. Spoiler alert, it's not. Hollywood doesn't care about your protest. Studios don't care about your union. You protest wages, they film in the UK. All they care about is, can we make it faster, cheaper, and more viral? At the end of the day, this is business, not nostalgia. If a monkey in space with a banana gun is making them money, guess what's getting greenlit? This isn't about preserving the sanctity of film anymore. This is business. And like any business, the one who wins are the ones who adapt without losing soul. That's what we're trying to do at Enjoy New Media. Use the tools, master the process, still tell great stories. If the job's evolving, so are we. So yeah, AI is taking my job, but I'm gonna learn to use it before someone else takes mine. Like this video, drop a comment, and hit subscribe. And if you want to see all of our videos ad-free, head to enjoynewmedia.com/free.